Service. For the following county, Greene, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for central Greene County in central Virginia until 6:30 p.m. Thursday. At 12:25 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Stanardsville, Lydia, Hannahtown, McMullen, Amicus, St. George. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flooding is occurring along the Conway River and Swift Run. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take precautions immediately. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Albemarle, Culpeper, Madison, and Orange. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northeastern Albemarle County in central Virginia, southwestern Orange County in central Virginia, southwestern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, eastern Madison County in northwestern Virginia until 12:15 a.m. Friday. At 6:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Orange, Madison, Gordonsville, Brightwood, Twyman's Mill, Madison Mills, Aroda, Woodford, Montpelier Station, Locust Dale, Oak Park, Old Somerset, Rochelle, Somerset, Pratt, Madison Run, Rapidan, Forbesville, Shelby, Leon. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, central Virginia County until 6:15 a.m. Virginia. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for the North Main River near Lunenburg in northwestern Lunenburg County. Flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take marine forecast. Chesapeake. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the Rappahannock River at Remington from late tonight to Saturday morning. At 6:15 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 8.4 feet or 6.7 feet below flood stage. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to a crest of 18.0 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Saturday morning. Impact at 18.0 feet. Water approaches homes south of Remington and covers the parking area at the Kelly's Ford Boat Ramp. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 18.0 feet on January 26, 2010. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Charlottesville and the surrounding KZZ 28 listening area. Rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches issued at 7:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Charles City County, southeastern New Kent County, James City County, and southeastern Virginia, central York County, and southeastern Virginia, the city of Newport News in southeastern Virginia, the city of Williamsburg in southeastern Virginia, until 9:45 p.m. At 7:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. And flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newport News, Williamsburg, Queens Lake, College of William and Mary, Norge, Tono, Gloucester Point, Virginia Institute for Marine Sciences, Patrick Henry Field, Seaford, York Terrace, Carver Gardens, Kings Point, Bush Gardens, Rose, Jamestown, Lee Hall, Fort Eustis, Denby, and Rustic. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties. In Virginia, Charles City, James City, New Kent and York, and the following independent cities. In Virginia,
you'll be connected wherever you go.
Grimes Road begins to flood. Some southeastern Virginia, central Surrey County, and southeastern Virginia until 11:30 p.m. At 11:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast to Court Lenton near Tono, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Franklin in southeastern Virginia, Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, eastern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, the west central city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia, east central Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, central Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, until 11:30 p.m. At 11:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Holmville to Court Lenton near Tomo, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near, steadily around 11:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wakefield around 11:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Holland, Iver, Dendron, Carsville, and Zunai around 11:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Palmer around 11:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Windsor, Surrey, Isle of Wight, and Scotland around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Vicksville, Booth Fort, Ponds, Bethel Church, Ellis Fort, Dory, Sunbeam, Lee's Mill, Poolsville, and Riverdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield.
To translate your question, gold by investing in Merrill Edge self-directed. It's more accessible than you think. It's helpful for
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Williamsburg, Smithfield, College of William and Mary, Kings Point, Jamestown, and Scotland around 11:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Happy holidays. But holidays are not always happy, particularly for guys. Eastern Standard Time. For Houston, Whitehall, around 11:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Newport News, Gloucester Courthouse, Patrick Henry Field, Christopher Newport University, Gloucester Point, Northampton, Hayes, Denby, Beaconsdale, and Crittenden around 11:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hampton, Seaford, Langley Air Force Base, Suffolk, and Tab around 11:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Ponds, Carrollton, Chip Oak State Park, Lackey, Beulah, Longview, Camp Peary, Naxtra, Oriana, and Chiqueta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Now the official National Weather Service forecast. Flash. National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for Mattapony River near Bowling Green, Indiana, Central Caroline County, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. At 2:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, reporting gauges indicate flooding along the Mattapony River near Bowling Green. The current stage is 11.35 feet. Minor flooding is occurring. Minor impacts will occur near Bowling Green. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Some locations that will experience flooding include Milford, Vilboro, Woodford, and Panola. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday for the following county: Caroline, Virginia. At 2 p.m. area weather observations. At Richmond, mostly sunny. Temperature 36, dew point 12, relative humidity 37%. Wind west 14 miles an hour. Pressure 30.04 inches and falling. In Chesterfield, mostly cloudy. Temperature 37, dew point 12, relative humidity 35%. Wind west 12 miles an hour. Pressure 30.05 inches and falling. Across the rest of central Virginia, Petersburg, cloudy into 36. Hanover, partly sunny into 36. Wind southwest, 12 miles an hour.
The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warning. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
I'm at the DA Hypnosis Center with Dan Bischoff.
Dan, I love this story from Donna in Pittsburgh. The EA didn't...
The Appomattox River at Matoix. From late tonight to late Tuesday night. At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday, December 26th, the stage was 11.6 feet. The gauge has been inoperable since Saturday night. Flood stage is 21.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Tuesday morning, crest at 22.7 feet Tuesday afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage late Tuesday evening. Impact at 21.0 feet. Agricultural and pasture land flooded. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 22.7 feet on September 19th, 2003. Marine forecast. Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to New Point Comfort, Virginia. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for the Mattapony River near Bougainville Inn, west central King and Queen County, southeastern Caroline County, north central King William County, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, reporting gauges indicate that minor flooding is about to begin along the Mattapony River near Bougainville. The current stage is 13.9 feet and rising. Minor flooding is expected. Impacts will occur near Bougainville. Flood stage is 14.0 feet. Some locations that will experience flooding include St. Stephen's Church, Gillette, Bougainville, Biscoe, Cutter, Rumford, Upshaw, and Green Fork. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday for the following counties: in Virginia, Caroline, King and Queen, and King William. Marine forecast. Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Small craft advisory in effect from Tuesday morning through Tuesday afternoon. Through 7 p.m. Southwest winds 10 to 15. This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA Weather Radio Warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the region over the next several days. High pressure will remain in place through this evening, leading to dry and seasonable conditions. that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. Weather synopsis. High pressure becomes centered off the mid-Atlantic coast today. A backdoor cold front pushes south across the region late Thursday, settles across the Carolinas Thursday night and Friday, before lifting back north at a warm front Friday night. Another cold front crosses the area early Saturday, then stalls near the coast Saturday afternoon. Now the official National Weather Service forecast. Rest of today, partly sunny until